Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install application for your JBL Quantum 610 on your PC. You have to start by open the browser and write JBL Quantum Engine. Here we go. Now click enter and open the first link here. Now scroll down and right here we have the installation file, so click on it and open it. So we download it, click on it to install. Next, select a path. I leave it here, but if you want to change it, just click at the browse and choose the best one for you. Next, check, next, install. And now click finish, and you need to restart your PC. Then after that you can use this application. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!